US deploys the 7th Fleet, USS Enterprise. As India neared victory, the US dispatched Task Force 74, led by USS Enterprise, into the Bay of Bengal. The move aimed to intimidate India and potentially evacuate Pakistani troops from East Pakistan. The Enterprise, a nuclear powered aircraft carrier, symbolized Cold War brinkmanship. India stood firm, backed by Soviet assurances and the positioning of Soviet submarines and cruisers nearby. The Soviet Navy shadowed the US fleet, triggering a tense standoff without direct conflict. Ultimately, the USS Enterprise never engaged, and the mission failed to alter the war's outcome. This episode confirmed India's resolve and diplomatic maturity in navigating Cold War superpower politics.